In 2026, millions of jobs in Nigeria and across Africa will disappear because of automation and AI. But here is the truth nobody is telling you. People with the right skills will earn in dollars, will work remotely and never worry about unemployment. If you are serious about your future, don't skip this video because I'm about to show you the top 5 high-demand, high-paying, AI-proof skills Nigerians and Africans must learn in 2026. Now, while this video matters, this is not a motivation, this is reality. Companies are no longer asking where you're from, however, they're asking what value do you bring? And these skills I'm about to share with you, they pay very well. It can be learned online and they will be relevant even more than 10 years from now. And guys, AI will not replace those that master these skills. So let's get into it. If you love this information on this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're in my channel, you're welcome. Right here, I give you tech and finance tips. So do well to subscribe to the channel so that I can get more of these videos. Okay, let's right back into the deal of the day. So the very first skill is artificial intelligence and machine learning. This one is very obvious. AI is not the future. AI is already here. We have ChatGPT, Grok, Gemini, even on our smartphones, we have Apple Intelligence, Galaxy AI, and the rest of them. So we are using AI in our daily lives. Now, what does this skill entail? Artificial intelligence and machine learning involves teaching computers how to learn from data, make decisions, automate tasks, solve real-world problems. From fintech to healthcare to agriculture, AI is everywhere. Now, the average pay in Nigeria is from 600k to 1.5 million per month, and globally, remote job from $3,000 to $10,000 per month. Now, if you're looking for where to learn these skills for free, you can learn it on YouTube. Check Free Code Camp, Simply Learn, Tech with Team, even Google AI courses. It is free. Check Coursera Audit Mode. Now, if you want to master these skills, remember those who are mastery in all these skills, AI can never replace them, even 10 to even 20 years from now. These are the platforms you can go and learn this for mastery. We have Coursera AI and ML professional certificates, Google Machine Learning Engineer, Deep Learning AI by Andrew NG. Now, what is the longevity of this skill? See, this is a lifetime skill. AI demand will only increase, not decrease. Will AI take this job? Absolutely no. AI needs humans to decide what problems to solve, train models correctly, apply AI to real business needs. Now see, people who understand AI will control AI. So skill number 2 is data analysis and data science. Data is the new oil, only if you know how to refine it. Data analysts turn raw numbers into insights, decisions, profits. Every company wants answers like, why are the sales dropping? What customers should we target? Now, the average pay of a data analyst in Nigeria is 400k to 1 million per month. Then for remote workers, that's worldwide, it's $2,000 to $7,000 per month. This money is very handsome this period. Now, here's where you can learn it for free. We have Google Data Analytics, YouTube, check Alex the Analyst or Data with Danny. Also, check Kego. Now, if you want to master these skills, here are places you can get the knowledge. Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate, IBM Data Science on Coursera, SQL plus Python bootcamps. Now, how long will this course last? Right, so this is going to last from 10 to 15 years minimum, because the demand of data is exploding. Will AI take this your job? Will AI take your job? Well, it is going to take it partially, but not fully. See, AI can actually analyze data, but we humans need to ask the right questions, understand business context, and also make the final decision. So AI will only assist analysts, it will not replace them. So skill number 3 is cybersecurity and cloud computing. As Africa goes digital, cybercrime is rising fast. So what this skill is, you protect systems from hackers. We really need this. We are securing data. We are managing cloud infrastructure like AWS and Azure. Banks, governments, fintechs, everyone needs this. So we are in high demand and they will pay you handsomely. So what is the average pay of someone who has this skill? In Nigeria, from 500,000 to 1.2 million per month, then remote worldwide from $3,000 to $9,000 per month. This money is actually nice today. Like, so if you're looking for where you can learn cybersecurity for free, check Google Cybersecurity Course Audits. You can go to YouTube, check out Network Chalk, Hackersploit, then even AWS free training. You can just get basic knowledge of cybersecurity and computing science. Now, if you want to master this skill, check out CompShare Security Plus, AWS Cloud Certification, CEH, Certified Ethical Hacker. Yes. So what is the longevity of this course? So let me tell you something. This is a forever skill. As long as internet exists, this job is going to exist. So if you're wondering if AI will take this job, never. AI cannot take this. See, hackers use AI, right? So now defenders must be smarter than AI. So you are still needed even forever. Now, cybersecurity needs human judgment and accountability. Skill number 4, digital marketing, UX, UI, and e-commerce. If you can sell online, you will never be broke. Yes. So what this skill entails is you running ads, designing user-friendly apps, growing online businesses, converting attention into money, and a lot more. So what is the average pay of someone with this skill? In Nigeria, you can get paid from around $300K to $900K per month. Then worldwide remote from $2,000 to $6,000 per month. So if you're looking for, you can learn this skill for free. Check out Google Digital Marketing course. Then go to YouTube. We have design course channel, Frogs Academy, or check out even Meta Blueprint. Yes, they are going to give you the basic knowledge of this skill. Now, if you want to master it, for mastery, right? Check out Google UX certificates, Meta Ads certification, Shopify and e-commerce bootcamps. So now, what is the longevity of this course? See, more than 10 years, it is still going to be valuable in our society today. So will AI take your job? No. Once you've mastered the skill, AI cannot take it. However, it is going to change it. See, AI helps humans create content. Now, humans handle creativity, strategy, cultural relevance. If you've used AI, you can ascertain that this is true. So AI is only going to be your assistant, not your replacement. Now, skill number 5, it is content creation and multimedia. Yes, this is even what I'm doing. So in Nigeria, in Africa, this is one of the most underrated skills today. Like when you tell somebody you're a content creator, like, what are you really doing? But this past few years, we've seen content creators making crazy money. The likes of Pella, Katefi, and Gege and the rest of them trending today. They tell you how much they are worth, how much they are making every single month. You know that even content creation pays more than most of your blue collar or suits kind of job. Like, guys, do not miss out on this year. Now, this skill entails video editing, storytelling, YouTube, TikTok, podcast, building digital brands. So the average pay of a content creator, let's say from around 250,000 naira to around 1 million naira per month, and remote or worldwide from $2,000 to around $10,000. That is if you've gotten to a certain level. Because I know some content creators may be watching this video and wondering, yeah, don't worry, once you get a certain level, every month you can start making this money, right? Where can you learn this skill for free? We have YouTube. Check out Multimedia channel or even Film Booth channel. CapCut has tutorials, right? CapCut tutorials. DaVinci Resolve free resources. There are a lot of places, right, where you can learn how to become a content creator and have this skill, right? Where you can learn how to become a content creator. So if you want to learn this skill for mastery, guys, I'm working on different courses here for content creators, right? If you want to show your face as a creator like I'm doing, if you don't want to show your face, you want to use AI, to still be a content creator, right? Both on YouTube, on Facebook, on IG, and even on TikTok, right? So once I'm done with that, I'm going to probably leave the link somewhere in this video. Hopefully when you're watching this video, I am done with the course and I leave you a link there so you can go and purchase it and master it, because trust me, I have been in this space for a while and I've been earning good from it, yes, as a content creator. Yeah, so I'm going to see you guys on my platform, okay, once I'm done with it. So what is the longevity of this skill? See, this is a lifetime skill. People will keep on consuming content every single day, even next 100 years. And now if you're wondering if AI will take this job, then it's a big no. AI will not take your job as a content creator. See, AI can generate content, that is true. We've seen a lot of amazing platforms these days, right? But it cannot really build trust, share life experience, and also tell authentic African story. So it is people, right, that can do all this. And even all these authentic AI stories you see, it is still we, the creators, that also write it and also create the whole AI stories and all. So AI will not replace you no matter what if you're a content creator. So guys, here's my final advice. If you take only one thing from this video, I want you to remember this. AI will not take any of these your jobs. Someone who is using AI is going to take it. So pick one skill, go deep, build projects, and start now. Which of these skills are you learning in 2026? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to someone who needs direction. I'm going to see you guys on my next video where I give you more finance tips, on how to start making money for yourself this year, 2026. I'll see you guys over there.